After installing the handle and seat, connect the power supply of the instrument. The power supply of the main unit and the chair are separate. 2 power cords are required to connect. After connecting, power on the instrument. After powering on, press the power button on the front. After turning on the machine, let's first understand the operation of the buttons. This is the exit button. This is the enter button. This is the start and stop button. The knob adjusts the energy level. After understanding the buttons, you can operate them. Next, understand the functions on the interface. First, the first list. After entering, there are 2 interfaces to choose from. The treatment on the first interface will be longer. The clinical course lasts 28 minutes. There are 33 clinical stages. Go back to the list and look at the second one. You can find that the other buttons on the interface are the same. It is just that the clinical time here has become 10 minutes. The number of stages has become 5. The second clinical is a shorter course of treatment. Let's look at the second function, quick. There are also 2 interfaces for entering quick, including the third one. 1, 2, 3. These 3 are the same. It's just that the way to enter is different. Then let's look at the fourth menu. You can set the language here. You can set it to English or Chinese. The fifth one is to exit to the home page. After exiting the home page, if the customer wants to control the entry through the button, click here to enter first. Click on the stage number on this interface to enter a new interface. The stage and time can be adjusted on this interface. But we do not recommend entering this interface to adjust, because these parameters here are set by the doctor in advance when leaving the factory. Customers should not change the parameters inside. If the customer accidentally clicks on the stage number entered this interface, click to exit directly. No need to adjust other things inside. Clicking here and exiting on the home page have no effect. Normal operation process. First, the customer must select the list. After entering the list and then the operation interface, you can control the entries through keys or buttons. If you choose button control, then the entry button is this. This way you enter the operation interface. This interface is not a complete operation interface. You need to enter an interface when operating. Now it prompts to start. As mentioned earlier, the start and pause buttons are the following 2. Press the start button to enter our work. Now it prompts to adjust the patient's position. The patient can sit on the chair at this time. Then it prompts you to press the enter key. At this time, press the enter key again and the machine will start working. There is a countdown here. This is the energy intensity. At this time, what we need to do is to increase the energy. Adjust to the energy value suitable for the customer for clinical treatment. There are 5 stages in the 10-minute countdown process. The frequency of work in each stage is different. You can ask the customer about his feelings during the work. If he can accept the current energy, slowly increase the energy to treat him. This is a 5-stage treatment. If the customer wants to stop, press the stop button. After stopping, you can exit or choose to start. Then we exit. After exiting, you will return to the previous interface. Return to the list and look at the first interface again. 28 minutes of clinical practice, 33 stages. The operation of this interface is the same as the 5-minute interface operation just demonstrated. Let me demonstrate it again here. First, select Start in this interface. You can enter the start by pressing a button or a button on the screen. Now let me demonstrate the button on the screen. Then adjust the body position, then press Enter. After entering, the countdown starts. Adjust the energy level. This is the remote control for the chairlift. According to the customer's body position, height, and the height of the feet when sitting down, you can use this remote control to adjust it appropriately. The upper button is the up button. It will not rise any further after reaching a certain height. The lower button is the down button. It will also stop when it reaches the lowest point. It is now at its lowest state. After adjusting the height, place the remote control on the armrest or on the table. Then just sit down and complete the clinical time and stages.